How to log out of Fiverr. So basically Fiverr does not offer a standard logout button on mobile. As you can see, there is no built-in option as logout. You can simply tap on the more icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and scroll down, and there you will get to see no logout option available. But you can still log out of your Fiverr on your mobile device, and here we will show how to do so. So this is an alternative method. All you have to do is go to the home screen from the Fiverr. So let's simply delete the Fiverr app instead. Fiverr is designed to keep you logged in on mobile, and it links your account to your mobile number, so you cannot log out like on WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger. So the best way is to simply delete the Fiverr app, and if you want to use it, then go to the App Store or Google Play Store and re-download it and use it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.